Okay guys, let's now go to the next video that we have here. But before that, let's just scroll down and see the result of what we've configured so far. So here's the website. It really looks neat. And there you go. You got some shop button here, some cool girl here, and then some headphones there. And this is the area where we configure the product. So I know the image looks boring because we did not really uploaded our real product that we have. But basically you have the product here, and once we click here, then we will be forwarded to it. Now, if you have some variations, it will automatically appear here. And at the same time, we've already configured an awesome part of it, which is the fake review. So this is actually something that you can make use of so that you could add some social proof to your website, even though you have just started up, or if you're already a small to medium business, then therefore you can already provide pre-existing customer reviews that you have had. By the way, the customer reviews can be uploaded in bulk if you have a CSV of it, and you can just upload it. So basically, even if you just type some random stuff there and then upload it on the CSV, let's say you just have 20 rows of reviews that you have made, and therefore it will automatically populate here in the customer reviews. So that's all for the current view right now. We're not just going to try to order yet. We're just going to finish all the configurations and all the stuff that you would be able to add here on the Pro Elkan configuration that we have. So let's go back and go to e-commerce, and now we are going for shipping. Okay, so here in shipping, you can configure or add some shipping details. So you're just going to add a name just in case you have an express shipping. For example, instead of like a few days, you can just go for 1 day premium shipping. You can do that. So let's just create that so that we will be able to see it later on. Then $20, then charge shipping per item or charge per cart. So this is really something that you have to consider, and just matter of preference on your side on what you will do. So set target shipping location. So basically here, if somebody chooses this type of shipping, then therefore this will only be applicable for those on the defined area. For example, North America, United States, New York. So there you go. So if you are going just to choose Albany, then therefore this particular shipping cost will be only applicable for Albany. The great thing about this is that you can take into account the distances from your store. So you can actually provide multiple types of shipping costs based on the distance coming from you, because basically you cannot just charge the same thing for something that is near you compared to something that is miles away from you or kilometers away from you. So that's how you set up the shipping. So by the way, set shipping priority number is, you can just play around with the priority number here. And if you want it to be the first in the list, then therefore you can do that, but it's just up to you. It's just a matter of preference. So you just click submit, and there you go. It can be chosen from in the list when somebody orders, which is something that we will be able to see later. So let's now also continue to another thing that we have here, which is e-commerce. Then go to checkout settings. Now, okay, checkout settings are, you can have some rules here and the checkout fields that you want to ask from them. So for example, here, it's just the typical order process wherein you will ask them for their first name, last name, mobile number, street, address, village, or here in the Philippines, it's barangay, so you can use that, and then landmark, where it is exactly, and or if you want to leave it at a certain part of your house, you can just add custom fields here. So one-liner text, paragraph, and then you can actually request them to upload an image. For example, you are on a print on demand. Print on demand is a business wherein they will pre-order for you, for example, a tumbler or a t-shirt or any customized work of art, wherein they will pay for it first. Then on the checkout process, you will ask for them to provide the image that they want to add on that item, and then they will be able to add that item once you hit submit here. That's name, image, submit. Then this allows you to make everything flexible. Now, I am going to go back again to the features that everybody offers in the market compared to what we have here. Now, you cannot do this in other platforms like Shopify. You basically cannot do this. This is not some option for them. They do not provide flexibility for you to be able to ask for the details you really want to get from your client. So this is another value for you. And not just that, you have a ton of choices regarding this. For example, if you want a service to be done on a specified date, you can ask for a specified date. Okay, let's tap that so that then you can set it as required. So everything is well accounted for. So that is the beauty of having this Pro Elkan account. Now let's go back to the checkout rules and try to understand checkout rules. Now, okay. So checkout rule, let's just type a name, rule 1. And then product quantity and certain product. For example, a person bought one charger cord and then basically set quantity to 1. And then next, then, okay, let's here override set value and subtract. So what, for example, we are going to provide a sale right now, wherein even a person who just bought one piece of the charger cord will get a certain percent. Now, if you're talking about services, now if you will be able to provide, apart from coupons, by the way, you can also use this. So it will automatically deduct on the funnel of your order process there once you try to order. And at the same time, you can actually add a coupon for it also. But here it is automated. Now, when it comes to funnels and marketing tactics, basically if somebody already opted in, for example, for $1,000, then at the checkout they saw that you even deducted a part of it, then that's another great thing for them, which motivates them to provide or to continue on ordering it, thus giving more of a better conversion for you. So that's how you will do it. Subtract, let's say it was 500, and let's just add 100. So the shipping cost will be reduced from with this amount. But the shipping cost earlier was just $20, so let's just type 5. Okay, after that, for it to be enabled, then therefore you just need to click status and then create that. So that already marks the part wherein we've understood the checkout fields and the checkout rules. By the way, when you have entered a new set of checkout fields, before you try to run it again, it will be best if you log out and log in again, because sometimes it doesn't kick in because your browser is cached with the previous data that it has. So basically you just need to log out and log in so that everything would be refreshed according to your configurations. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.